What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are back upstate at this new house and garage that we were building. A few videos ago I mentioned how there's been quite a bit of progress and I would have a video coming out on it, and here it is. So as you can see, the house is starting to get sided. The garage is pretty much all done except for the front of it. We'll start over here with the garage. You can see the soffit for this little roof on the front is complete. All of these brackets are on, along with the brackets over here on this small roof for the door here. There's also hardy board, which is these white pieces back here behind the brackets. We did that way the oh my god, I'm stepping into a puddle. We did the hardy board so the J goes right up to it. It would create a little bit of an issue with these tapered ends on the brackets there. If you try to put the J right up to them, you'll have like a weird gap on it. So we did the hardy board to keep them out. Also the same thing on the top for the J with the soffit, but these brackets look very nice on here. You can see they have one piece of siding to go there after the metal roofing goes on. That is why that's not on. I think I've shown the back of this garage in a past video, but sided all the way to the top. Looks very nice. All the soffits on, aluminum, everything. Same thing with this side over here. And then as we make our way to the front, you can see the brackets here as well. Super nice brackets, along with the hardy again. And on the front, the hardy goes all the way down to the bottom where the siding will be, all the way across. You have 6 legs here and then a piece across the top. Same thing with the brackets up in the soffit. We did run a couple pieces short on the soffit here. That's why that's not complete. There's also a metal roofing going on right here. There is a hardy detail on the front, on the second floor, legs up, and then follows the roof line. Same thing on both sides there. So we have to do that, and then obviously we can side after. Moving on to the house here, we'll walk around the outside first and then take a look at the inside. You can see siding going on. All of the soffit is complete. I think they have a couple more pieces around the next corner there to finish up. Actually, it looks like he got it on. So siding all the way up right here. He's up there getting the last, yeah, he's got a couple pieces left to go right there. This house is coming together super nice. See, they just throw the siding or the soffit in so much quicker with this Speed Lab soffit rather than having to cut it to length with vinyl soffit. They just come in a box and basically clip them together and nail them on. But nothing really has changed around the front here. I think I've shown the, I don't know if I did actually. I'm not 100%, but obviously the excavator brought some dirt in here and got this level all the way to where it needs to be with these footings. And there's actually a sewer line buried in here. It comes out of the crawl space about here, and he has a board on the end of it blocking it, because obviously it's a pile of dirt there, would get filled right up. But there's quite a bit of work left to go on this house. Come around here, this is all super soft where they backfilled. Let's go climb inside real quick and take a look at the inside. The plumbers have a ton of work done in here. So starting with the bathroom here, you can see they have water lines and everything for, or not the bathroom, laundry room, sorry. All the water lines for a washer and dryer set up here. There's a vent there, bathroom right here. All of the water lines are in here as well. Plumbing going up, AC is in. We just went over a few things that have to happen for these guys. They are making very good progress, but This is a custom home, so nothing is super smooth. There's always some things you got to work around. Like we just framed in this AC return here, so you see this sewer line hanging here along this quad LVL. Originally we're going to run it this way and then come down in the corner here, but then that messes with the whole kitchen layout here. So the sewer line is going to run this way and be tucked in the corner of the closet in this bedroom here, along with this AC return. It's all going to get boxed out in here. So you will lose a little bit of space out of this closet, but that is the only way to make it work in here. You can't go the other way along the LVLs, because then your kitchen doesn't work. So you're kind of running out of options as far as that goes. This room, we have a similar situation with the sewer line for the toilet upstairs. We tripled up this 2x10 so they can put a 90 on there, punch through the 2x10, come across here, and then down in the corner of this wall we added a 2x4 dummy wall here, basically just to give them enough room to get the pipe in. Then we could sheetrock right in front of it. But I think for the first floor, actually, they just threw that back door in. Looks super nice. Last door left to go in is that wall, last single door, and then obviously you have the front unit as well. But moving up into the second floor here, you can see all of the AC ducts are ran. You have your line set ran. Same situation here with the toilet. We got some Spanish music playing. I don't know if I'm gonna get copywritten for that or not, so I'm just gonna try to keep talking the whole time. But more, these are vents for the downstairs. Let's see, this bathroom, we just added a little ledger here for the tub. It is sitting right here, so pulled it out of the little crate it was in, took some measurements, got that in there. So that is all set. Water line, they still have to drill for the drain there as well. Let's climb out here and go take a look at the siding real quick while we're up here. Come around to the side where they have it all set up. Looks very nice all the way across. We didn't put these couple pieces on because we have to put the metal roofing on here first, and then we can side down to it. It is kind of holding us up, but not really. That's why we skip a couple rows and then side up above it. But it's coming together very nice. Let's climb up into the attic real quick and take a look at the AC unit up here. They moved everything out into this area back here. Super clean job these guys are doing. Amazing work. All set up out there. Looks very nice, and you have a ton of empty attic space. One thing that this master is calling for is a return in the master, just because it is such a big room. So I believe that is going to go right here, and then they'll just run their line and get it back into there. But overall, it's coming out very nice. Let's go down into the basement real quick and take a look at the work down there. All right, so I have my phone flashlight here. We're a bit limited on light down here, but you can see they're just storing all their AC stuff. But back here, they have all their copper work done. It looks super nice here. All the valves and everything coming together. Very nice. Everything ran across the ceiling, sewer line and whatnot. Another AC unit down here, and then along the back here you can see the sewer line runs all the way down, and it is punched out in this corner I showed you where it's going out from the outside. So they're going to tie in right here to right there, and then all the sewer from the front of the house goes along the front there. I don't know how well the camera's picking it up with my flashlight. Comes back here, and that's going to get tied in as well right over here. So it is coming together, and there's a lot of work left, but this is some pretty good progress. I think that is going to wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.